You are welcome to register for our African Ancestral virtual naming ceremony. It is a very important rite of passage. We are the first to provide such quality services since 2011. You will learn about your African ethnic group, interact with fellow registrants as well as complete group and individual assignments. You will participate in the virtual naming commencement and have an opportunity to join our private virtual community. See the provided link to register. You may also receive an exclusive invitation to join our YDNA Africa Society. Visit www.dnatestedafricans.org to see some of our ancestral reconnections and adventures or send us your questions. Just a reminder that we are not a DNA testing company. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, our newsletter, and join our Facebook groups. Whatever you decide, please find your ancestral story, find an organization that meets your needs and remain reconnected. We wish you all the best on your ancestral journey.